Hi, and welcome to the next topic of this module. Now in this topic, we will learn about what is abstract keyword. So using the abstract keyword, we can create the abstract classes and also the abstract methods. Now these are the special kind of class and method in Java that we create using the abstract keyword. So first of all, let us now proceed and check out what is abstract class in Java. So here inside the IntelliJ IDE, let us now clean up our code. And also let us remove the dog class along with the content of the class of animal. Now at the bottom, for your reference, I will write some rules regarding the abstract keyword. So here are some of the rules regarding the abstract classes and abstract method. Now first of all, how can we make a class abstract? We can simply make a class abstract by using the abstract keyword, such as use abstract followed by class and then followed by name of the class. So here this class of animal is now abstract in nature. Now what is the significance of making a class as abstract? So for that, let us check out the rule. So first one we have already followed. A class that is declared abstract is known as the abstract class. Now the second rule is that you cannot create the object of the abstract class. What I mean to say is within the main method, you cannot use new keyword followed by the class name like this. So this will simply show a error. The animal class is abstract and cannot be instantiated. That means you cannot create the object of the abstract class. So in Java it is invalid. It is actually not allowed. That is, you cannot create the objects of such classes. Now let us come to the next rule. The abstract classes may or may not contain the abstract methods. Now firstly, what do we mean by the abstract methods? Before that, let me show you one thing. Within the abstract class of animal, we can define our normal methods such as public, void, let's call it run. So when this statement will be executed, the animal will start to run. As simple as that. So we are of course familiar with such method definition. Public, void, method name and then the method body. Now what do we mean by the abstract methods? So for that, let us discuss about the abstract method in the next video.